If you're already sharing content and displaying them on your WordPress website using Smashballoon social feeds, the next step is to find out how well they're performing. In this video, I'll show you how to track and analyze your embedded social feeds with Feed Analytics. This is a powerful tool that lets you see exactly how your social feeds are performing. Let's get started and I'll show you how it works. To download the Feed Analytics plugin, head over to smashballoon.com and sign into your account. Once logged in, you can find all your download links and the license key on this page. Find Feed Analytics and click Download. Now on your WordPress dashboard, you can go ahead and install Feed Analytics just like any other plugin. After installing and activating it, on the left-hand side, you'll now notice Smashballoon Analytics. Go ahead and click on that. Inside, you can see the analytics for all the social media feeds you've embedded on your site. Currently, what we're looking at is the Overview tab. Underneath, you can see the overall engagement across all social media feeds on your site. On the right-hand side, you can see that we got a total of 19 clicks. Next, we can also check out the views. You can see that we have 8 views across the last 7 days. And also the profile visits. During this period, you can see that there are no profile visits recorded. And if you want to modify the date range you're looking at, you can open this up on the top right corner, and you can choose whether you want to see the last 7 days, last 30 days, last 6 months, the last 1 year, or all time. Let's go and check out the last 30 days. And you can see right here that we've had 3 profile visits from our social media feeds in the last 30 days. And if you look at the views and the clicks, you can see all the data for the last 30 days as well. And if you scroll down, you can also see the top performing posts for that date range. You can see the post name, caption, a preview for that post on the right hand side. You can also see the number of clicks on that post, and the number of profile visits you gained from that post too. And now if I scroll back to the top, we can go and take a look at analytics for each individual platform. For example, let's go check out the analytics for our Instagram feeds. And here, similar to the Overview tab, you can see a graph showing all the analytics, but this time, instead of being an overview, it's for all our Instagram feeds. So we have the number of clicks, views, and profile visits too. And this is for the last 30 days. So if you want to modify that, you can open this up and choose a date range you want to use. And beside this, you can also see a drop down that says all feeds. If I open it up, you can choose which Instagram feed you want to see analytics for. Currently, I've only got one, but if you have multiple, you can use these filters to see which Instagram feed on your site is performing the best. And if I scroll down, you can see the top performing Instagram posts for that date range too. And this time, let's take a look at the YouTube feeds. This will show us all the analytics for our YouTube feeds on our site. You can see that in the last 30 days, we've got 9 clicks, 3 views, and 1 profile visit. And at the top, we can choose what feed we want to look at, and also the time range too. Scrolling down, we can see the top posts, but for this YouTube feed, there's only 1 post performing for us, which is indicated here. It's gotten 4 clicks and 1 profile visit, and a preview of that is shown right here. Now that you've seen how Feed Analytics works, the big question is, how do you use this data to improve your results? You can identify high-performing content. You can see which posts are bringing you the most views, clicks, and profile visits. Then you can create more of that type of content to keep your audience interested. If you have multiple feeds from the same platform on your site, you can see which ones are bringing in more engagement than others and experiment with placing them in different sections of your website to maximize visibility. By using Feed Analytics, you're no longer guessing what works. You're making data-driven decisions to improve engagement, keep visitors on your site for longer, and turn more of them into customers and followers. If you have any questions about what I covered in this video, please let me know in the comments below. If you experience any technical issues, please contact our awesome support team. They'd be happy to help you out. And please consider subscribing to our channel for social media marketing tips to help you grow your business. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.